The new iPhone 15 Pro from Apple will be introduced during a special event that's rumored to take place on September 12th in the next month. The actual date should be made public next week. In contrast to its predecessor, which had a stainless steel frame, the iPhone 15 Pro and its sibling, the Pro Max, are rumored to have a titanium frame. For example, it debuted a unique purple color for the iPhone 14 Pro review last year. According to 9to5Mac, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are expected to arrive in new gray and blue colors. The former will replace the normal gold iPhone variety that has been available for years, while the latter may be appropriately dubbed Titan Gray to match the titanium chassis of the duo. On the other hand, a bespoke blue color is said to be the next unique version for the iPhone 15 Pro. The hue is set to replace the existing deep purple of its predecessor, but there is no specific term on what the color will be named, putting it in the same situation as the gray color. Silver and space gray were also reported as additional color possibilities for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Regarding the standard Apple iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus models, the two are set to be available in the following color options: pink, yellow, green, black, and blue. The Pro model's frosted back glass was also rumored to be present on these, however an aluminum chassis is anticipated in place of the more durable titanium. The iPhone 15 Pro is anticipated to be equipped with the Apple A17 Bionic chipset, which will enable it to have 6 or 8 GB of RAM and more storage. Both Pro entrants will make use of a new programmable action button, while the Pro Max is said to include a new periscope camera. The USB-C connector will replace the Lightning port on the whole iPhone line, and each colorway will have a braided data cable that matches it. According to a new report, the iPhone 15 Pro could have Thunderbolt 3.0 or 4.0 connection. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.